kiddos, guess what number trying today with number blocks? 10, no. 9, no. 8, no. 7, no. 6, no. 5, no. 4, no. 3, no. 2, no. 1, hooray! Yes! Today I am drawing 1 to 10 with number blocks. Loo, la. Achoo, oops! Bye number blocks. First I'm drawing a big horizontal line. You can use your ruler to get your line straight on the side. Don't worry, it's all about getting things right and having fun too. Up. Don't worry, all right. Another line. Great. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Bye number block 10. Now I am drawing another line. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's broken. Bye number block 9. Draw another line. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Bye 8. Draw another line. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Bye 7. Oh, another line. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye 6. Draw another line. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye 5. Draw another line. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye number block 4. Another line. Up. 3, 2, 1. Bye number block 3. Draw another line. Up. Stop. 1, 2. Bye 2. Draw another line. Up. Stop. 1. Bye number blocks. Wow. Boom. Good job. Start with color red. Then orange for number 2. Number blocks drawing is very interesting. Yellow for number 3. Funny number blocks. I like number blocks. Who's next? Green for number blocks 4. Funny number blocks. I like it. What next? Blue, yes. Blue. Blue. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Great, I like it. Number block 4 is very funny. I like it so much. What next? Purple. Oh, number block 6, you are very funny. I like your head. Funny number blocks. What next? And number block 7 is special rainbow. Wow! Red. You are very funny number block. I like it so much. La 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 yellow. Green. Blue. Ooh. Purple. And last, pink. Very funny number blocks. I like it. You are very special. I like rainbow color. Do you like rainbow color? Great. What next? Pink. Number block 8 color is pink. Number block 8 look like octopus. I like number blocks drawing. Do you like number blocks drawing? Great. It's very interesting. Bye bye pink. What next? Yay! Number block 9. Color is gray. Gray. Gray, gray, gray. Gray, lighter gray. Different kinds of gray. Bye bye number block. What next? Number block 10 color is? Yes, you are right. Red. You can use your ruler, get your line straight on the side. Where is ruler? Yes, there it is. Don't worry. It's all about getting things right and having fun too. La 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 la. La 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 la. Great job. Great job. Come on, look. It's amazing. Alright, now that we have our numbers, Let's get doing some numbers fun. Great job, friends. Come on, look. 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. And 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. And 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. And 2 minus 1, 1. All right. Great job. All thanks to you. Bye-bye.